Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play an electronic keyboard. First, ensure your keyboard is powered on and connected. Adjust the master volume to a comfortable level, typically around 1/2 to 2/3 of the maximum. Then, find middle C, which is usually the 4th C key from the left on a standard 88-key keyboard, or the center C on smaller models. This note will be your home base for learning. Now, let's focus on proper hand position. Sit upright with your back straight and shoulders relaxed to avoid tension. Curve your fingers naturally, as if you are gently holding a small ball, keeping your wrists flat and not bent up or down. Your thumb is finger number 1, your index finger is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and pinky is 5. Next, we will learn some basic notes and chords. Start by playing the C major scale, using your right hand with finger 1 on C, 2 on D, 3 on E, 1 on F, 2 on G, 3 on A, 4 on B, and 5 on the next C. Practice simple melodies using only white keys. Then, try playing a C major chord by pressing C, E, and G together with your right hand. To make progress, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 to 30 minutes every day. Use your keyboard's built-in metronome to help you keep a steady beat and improve your timing. Don't forget to explore the many different instrument sounds and rhythm styles your electronic keyboard offers. Have fun experimenting and discovering new musical possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.